Hi my dear friends, Imba Trader is here and I haven't seen you all for a while. I do hope that you are doing just fine and hope that you have more in the money days while trading binary options than unfortunate ones. So I haven't posted videos for some time, but it doesn't mean that I haven't been trading. Actually, I was doing it on the daily basis. I was doing some CFD stuff and some cryptocurrencies, and I should say that this is really big at the moment. Trading cryptocurrencies on the binary options platform, it's unbeatable, and I do personally think that this is just the beginning of this era, and it's always beneficial to get the piece of pie at the very beginning, because at the end of the day it's gonna grow and will help you to live the luxury life when you get older. So let's get back to what we are here for today. I'm gonna set up my platform. I'll switch to the candlestick graph 60 seconds period. Let's add up a couple indicators. Bollinger Band with the standard settings and RSI. So the levels, I would switch to 80-20 because 70-30 might be too small corridor, and here you will see more precise picture. So 80-20 and period 10. All right, just perfect. So let's do some trades. I'm gonna start with the $500 trade for the upwards movement. At this point it was the best entry point, but I was talking at that moment, so let's see how it goes. There are 40 seconds left until the expiration, and I'm trading Bitcoin today. So what I like in the current platforms is that most of them are sophisticated enough where you can buy stocks, you can do forex and cryptocurrencies trading, and all within the same dashboard. So if you want to try trading on this platform on expert option, just go ahead and check out the link in the description, and you can go ahead and try trading on the demo account. You don't even need to enter your email address. You can trade virtual money on the real market just within like 2 clicks. So my first trade didn't go through. I do see. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the martingale strategy, double my trade to $1,000 and make a trade in the same direction. So why I made this choice, you see how the lower RSI line was breached here. It means that the asset is oversold and the price should start growing, and at the same time the lower Bollinger Band was breached here. So I do have 2 indicators showing me, and also it was the third one is this is basically the support line over here. That's why it was obvious that the price should start going up. So we got our $1,900 profit, and let's see what else we can do here. So probably I would switch to like 750 trades and go for the downwards movement. So the overall trend over here, the trend line is moving down. So I do think that this is the point that I will rely on in this trade. So we started with like $4,200, I think. Now it's 39, but I have $750 invested in Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency over there on the market. Okay, perfect. $1,400 profit, and we are in the money at the $5,300 level. and you can see here like all the trades that other people are making. You see somebody like does $50, somebody does $3, and somebody does 1900. All right, didn't catch the right moment. So here I would switch to $1000. Probably not the best entry point. So I was trying to catch the moment when the price is here at the level of the lower Bollinger Band. So there is a chance that it's not gonna win in this case. Anyway, if during the next 30 seconds it will get here, I'll just make another additional, I would say, auxiliary trade. Yeah, let's make it. All right, so I have $2000 total invested. Maybe not the concrete trade, not the 100% sure, but you see how the how RSI is showing the upwards movement. And again, here another indicator, I would say the support line. So both of the trades were made probably somewhere at the level of the support line. So let's see how it's gonna end up. 5 seconds left, and it's such a close call. It can change like at any moment, and just like that, $3,800 profit. And I got there from 42 at the very beginning to 71, so it's $3,000 of the pure profit. Probably this is the point where I would stop, but why not to make one more trade? Let's see how it goes. So I do see some new features adding up here. You can see the other people trading, what assets they are trading, their gains, how many deals, the volumes, and it gives pretty much decent picture of what's happening out there, what people are, the ones just like you, what they are doing, and what assets are big right now and bring the highest profits. All right, perfect. So since we're still globally in the downwards trend, I waited until the moment when we get closer to the upper Bollinger Band, and I made the $1,000 put trade. 30 seconds left, and looks like we might lose this one, but who knows. 20 seconds left. Yeah, it's a close call again. Yeah, not the best entry point. You see how it still moves to the upper Bollinger Band, and our trade is at this level. Anyway, looks like we are losing this one, but what I'm gonna do, I will proceed with the martingale strategy, and I just submitted 2 $1,000 trades, and this motherfucker is still going upwards. Actually, no worries, we have enough time, and I do believe that this global trend is gonna continue. Yes, and it's gonna go down to this support line, 17 seconds, and it's getting more and more reliable. You see how it works. Yeah, making trades on the level of the Bollinger Bands is the high probability strategy to be in the money. All right, $38,000. So we had 2 losses during this trading session. We started with $4,200 and got to almost 8,000. I think right now it's the good moment to stop for today. If you enjoyed my trading session, just go ahead and try it yourself. No money investments needed. Just check out the link under the video and go try yourself on the demo account on the real market. And I will see you shortly later this week. Have a good one. Bye bye, guys.